Nature and I. Humans destroy nature. What is my role? What is your role? In this video I invite you to come in this meditation with me and to find more clarity about yourself. If you are ready, close your eyes and breathe. Notice your breath. And with each out-breath, you relax a little bit more. And you feel the weight of your body. And you give it to the ground, to the earth. Now I invite you to see one place before you, and this is a place where you see and experience nature in your daily life and in your weekends. So nature, maybe at home, you have flowers at home, you have a garden. This is nature. And you remember and you see that nature around you. Beautiful. And you enjoy it often. And you feel yourself and you breathe. And then there is another place around you. And this is the place where you know in the news, in internet, or even in your life, how humans destroy nature. And you can see some of these images. Your knowledge is coming up. Pollution of the air. The less animals, species die. So you know that, and in this place you come in contact with this knowledge. And you feel yourself, and you breathe. And then you leave this place also, and there is one place more. And this is all what you know about the magnitude of nature. So there are tsunamis, there are earthquakes, floods, fires. So, and you know and see there is something overwhelming. It's big and enormous. And you breathe. And you feel yourself facing that. And then the last place, nature, this is you too. So you are a child of nature, an animal in some way. So just feel yourself right now. Feel the nature in you, the aliveness. And breathe. And feel yourself. And we will walk through all these 4 places 2 times more. And each time it deepens. Something becomes more clear for you. So, if you are ready, we go to the first place. The nature around you in your daily life. So, and just see what you can see, what is rising before your inner eye. Animals, flowers, trees, landscapes, the sun, the rain. This is nature around you. And you accept it, you take it in, and you breathe, and you feel yourself facing nature on this place. And then we go to the second place again. This is pollution. This is death. How human beings destroy rivers, destroy forests, destroy animals. And you know that. And you face it right now. And you feel what is going on in you. Maybe fear, maybe panic, whatever. And you breathe. And then you go to the third place. Nature in its essence, with the violence of it, with the power. You know that if thunderstorms are coming, and you maybe become afraid, and the earthquakes again, and volcanoes, this bursting out of the fire of the earth. And you know this life and death in nature. So there are animals who eat other animals. They need to catch them. So you see that there's a coming and going, a rising and falling. This is nature too. And you breathe. And you feel yourself. Allow any feeling, any emotion which is coming up. There may be the child in you, or the ancestor which was really afraid of nature. These tribes in the jungle, nobody had shelter. And this fear of animals, this is all in our genes. And you breathe. And then you go to the fourth place. You as a natural being, your blood, your bones, your breath. This is all nature. And you feel yourself. And then a last turn. You start with the first place. This is nature in your daily life. Probably soft nature, or very often soft. Beautiful. You enjoy it. Flowers are a gift. Dogs and cats are so nice to human beings. So whatever is coming up, just receive it. This nature around you. And you feel yourself and you breathe. And then you go to the next place. Human beings who destroy nature. And you are also part of them. You know what you are doing. the car you are driving, the airplane you are catching and taking. You know how you pollute the atmosphere. If you would not be there, there would a little bit less damage. So you are here and you damage nature. And you see that. You see you are part of the whole. You are greedy too, and you buy cheap clothes, and you know it causes damage in the nature, in the environment. But this greed once in a while is stronger, so just face yourself as part of the humans who destroy nature. And breathe. This is you too. And then go to the third place. And again there is this overwhelming nature, much bigger than any human beings, which has its own laws. There is this becoming and rising, and then there is leaving and death. This abundance in nature. One little bird who tries to catch the worms for his nest, for the young birds. Or 1,000 and 1,000, 100,000 of eggs of some fishes. And only a few survive. Such abundance. And we are part of them, like ants. So human beings are natural beings, and they are all over the world, like termites in a way. We build and we grow. This is also nature. So whatever is coming up, just receive it. And then go to the last place. This is you. You are nature. You are alive. So right now feel this life in you. This nature of you. The body, the mind is also part of nature. Your brain. You can feel your body right now, how you are sitting, and you can feel the breath and the blood and the heartbeat. This is nature. And then just find a center. You had walked through 4 places, now find the center. Or a place where you can see all the 4 places, observe them, perceive them. This is a place beyond. And you know all that. And I have a sentence which sometimes helps to relax. I don't need to understand. And you tell yourself this sentence. And you know this all is much bigger. And you are a part of that. Your body, your life is a part of this bigger life. And this life guides you and leads you. So just feel the trust in yourself. There is this life which is much bigger, which is leading you, your little mind, your little brain. Just feel that you can surrender to the bigger life force. And if not, it's also fine. It's also part of the life in you. So you just breathe, and we have still a little bit silence. You allow whatever is coming up, and you allow to dive even deeper. And then, slowly, in your own rhythm, come back. So you move a little bit the body, the shoulders, the neck, and then you open the eyes. Welcome back. And feel the trust in yourself, the trust in life. And out of this life, out of this trust, the good actions will come in your life.